This is a review of the Swiftjet foam gun that I would highly recommend. This is for pretty much for your garden hose, and it works for that. You can see it has a dial adjuster where it has different settings, so as I keep going it's gonna have more soap and suds coming out. So far for me, this thing has been working amazing. Swiftjet sent me out this to test it out, and I overall really like it. I'm gonna show you guys in this video how well this thing performs, and pretty much you can see here, that's the nozzle to pretty much spray it. This clips up like this and attaches to there. It's really not that hard to install it, and that attaches to there. And then you get your garden hose attached there, and I have my garden hose on, and pretty much without going further, I'm going to be showing you guys and testing it onto the cards to see how well this thing performs. So I pretty much have it on my first setting, which is A number 1 right over here. Then it goes all the way to B, C, D, E, all the way to there, and that's the highest amount of settings. So let's start from A. You can see how well this thing performs. The soap and suds is really amazing. It has a lot of soap that comes out of it, and I could close it whenever I want to. Now let's get down and do setting number B. So this is setting number B. You see, setting number B has more soap and suds coming out of it. It's a lot of soap. And we're gonna go down to setting number C now. This is setting number C, and you can see it's even more soap and suds coming out of it. It's really amazing how well this thing works. We are now on to setting number D. Let's see how setting number D works. Setting number D, you can see there's more soap and suds that is coming out of this, and you can see this is really as compared to as good as a pressure washer that you get from another foam gun. And this, it performs very well. I absolutely love it. Now I'm gonna go down to setting number E, which is the final setting. Okay, so we're on to setting number E. Let's see how well this thing works. So this is the final one. You can see how much soap falls down to the ground, how much of powerful the suds are on this. I would definitely recommend the Swiftjet foam gun. If you are looking for a foam gun that outperforms better than other foam guns, then this is probably one of the best foam guns you could get, and it performs very well as compared to a pressure washer. And you can see how much soap I have left underneath in that setting number E. So I still have so much left to do another car as well too. So I would definitely recommend the Swiftjet foam gun. It is out of my expectations, and I would definitely recommend it if you're looking for a new foam gun, or you're looking for a replacement set, or you're just looking for something to wash your car very fast and you want to pretty much save the time, then this is definitely one of the best foam guns you could get, and I would definitely recommend this foam gun to everyone.